So the first thing is, what is a minor of an element? Minor of an element Aij. Now what is Aij? Look, determinant has many elements, that is A1, like here A11, A12, A13. So a general, I am taking the minor of an element Aij, general element of a determinant. Look at here, of a determinant. Now this is the whole sentence. Is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which Aij lies? Again, you read that thing first. Minor of an element Aij. Suppose I am saying in place of Aij, remove Aij. Minor of an element A11. In place of Aij, read this thing. Minor of an element A11 of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its, not ith, first row. So deleting its first row, I will delete its first row, and first column, oh my god, I it's totally different, I said different. Deleting its first row and first column. Understood? I am deleting the first row and first column. Whatever element remains, the determinant of those elements gives you the minor of A11. Understood? So minor of A11 will be A22, A22, A23, A32, A33. Everyone understood? Yes or no? Am I clear about the minor? Acha, who can tell me then?
No, sir.
No, acha, fine. Again, I'm going to repeat. Suppose I need to find the minor of, look at here. Now forget about everything what I said. Suppose I have to find the minor of A13. Okay, where is A13? This is our A13, right? Yes or no? So what I will do is, I will draw a vertical line like this. I will draw a horizontal line like this. The determinant of these elements which remains, gives you the minor of A13. Now understood? Yes or no? So if I say,
Yes, sir.
so what is the minor of A13? It will be A21, A22, A31, A32. Understood? Clear? Okay. Acha, in the same way, who can tell me? What is the minor of A22? What is the minor of A22? Tell me fast. The minor of
A11,
A11?
A33,
Wrong.
A31.
Wrong. Acha, after A11, what you said? After A11, what you said? A?
A1,
Oh yeah, then it's correct. So this one you cut like this. So it will be A11, A13, A31, A33. Understood? Clear?
yes, sir.
So that's how we find minor of any element. Now minor is given by Mij. Suppose you are finding minor of A11. It will be written as M11. Understood? Clear? So that's how we denote minor. Now what is cofactor of an element? Cofactor of an element Aij, just same in here, denoted by capital Aij. So cofactor is denoted by capital Aij, is defined by capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j, the minor of that term. Okay, let's explain. What does it say? So suppose I am finding cofactor of, what should I find? Cofactor of A12. I am finding cofactor of A12. It will be written as A12, capital A12. Yes or no? Cofactor of A12 will be minus 1 to the power, it was what? I plus j, right? It will be 1 plus 2 M12. And what is M12? It is the minor of A12. Understood? Am I clear? Yes or no? So cofactor of any element A, small a12 will be given by capital A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power row plus column into minor of A12. Understood? Suppose I need to find A32. A32 will be what? Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 multiplied by M32. And M32 is the minor. Understood? Clear? Yes or no?
sir.
Yes. So let's see an example. So suppose this is our determinant A11. These are givens. So we are finding M11, and M11 is what? The minor of A11. That is given by, I will cut this one, cut this one. I get what? A22, A23, A32, A33. That is the thing. And I know how to find determinant of order 2 matrix. Yes or no? Multiply these two minus multiply these two. Simple. Yes or no? Clear? Now we move on to finding cofactor. Now what is cofactor? It will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11, the minor of M11. Now minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is what? A positive number, right? So it will be the same of the M11. So this is it. Acha, have we done this one before? Have we done this type before? In order to find determinant, we use these things, right? Yes or no? Haven't we used this one in order to... Yes. Please remember. So, yes. So there is an important point to remember in here. A very, very important point. Look at here. We found out... Acha, fine. Let me show. If you guys don't remember, let me show you something of determinant. Where was it? Where was it? Yes. Here it is. You see? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. A11. Acha, look at it here carefully. Acha, very nice thing. I got it here. A11. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into this thing. This is what? M11, right? Look at here carefully. This is what? Minor M11, right?
Yes, sir.
So can I write this expression? Can I write this expression as A11 into A11? Can I write? Same way, can I write this expression as A21 into capital A21? Can I write this expression as A31 into capital A31? Please tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? Look at here. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. The minor of A31. And those two combined becomes cofactor of 31. But what remains? A31. So I am writing A31. The same thing goes in here. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. And this is minor of A21. So these two combined becomes cofactor of A21. And this A21 remains. So A21. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this gives us what? Understood? Yes or no?
No.
No. Acha, look at here again. You look at it carefully then. Very good. Then look at here very carefully. So look at here nicely. Acha, do we have the row formula? Acha, forget it. Now look. For the moment, forget about this A11. Forget about this A11. Can you tell me these two gives us what? These two gives us what? Look at
A11.
how it's A11. Look at here. This thing is the minor of A11 and minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. These two combined gives us A11. And this one I will just write here A11. Understood? Clear? The same way, look at here. Now forget about this one. Forget about this one. These two combined gives us what? The cofactor of A21. So that is capital A21. Now I will write this thing. Now A21. So I will write A21. Now again look at here. Here A31. Forget about A31. These two together is what? These two together is our plus. It's our A31. Now I will write A31. So if you are finding determinant of any matrix, you just multiply the element with the corresponding cofactors. element with the corresponding cofactor, element with the corresponding cofactor, then add all the three, you get the determinant. Understood? Clear? Element multiplied with the corresponding cofactor gives you the determinant. Now look at here. Now look at in here. I am finding the determinant. A11 capital A11, A12 capital A12, A13 capital A13. The element multiplied with its corresponding cofactor, element multiplied with its corresponding cofactor, element multiplied with its corresponding cofactor gives you the determinant of a matrix. Understood? Huh? Now look at here. Can you tell me the value of this one? Wait a second. Look, can you tell me the value of this one? This one, you see, the elements are not multiplied with its corresponding cofactors, right? Yes or no? Different cofactor, right? Now when you come across like this, you don't have to think anything. Just write that is equal to 0. Understood? Am I clear? Only when elements are multiplied with its corresponding cofactors, then only they will give you a proper number, that is determinant of that matrix. If it is not multiplied with its corresponding cofactor, then it will always be 0. Okay? Once we will be doing some problems, then you guys will understand. Have you understood this much? How to find minor, how to find cofactor? Yes or no? So let's start doing some problems, then you guys will get it.